Saeed Ahmed Khan Manais Urdu, Arabic Sin, Arabic Hain, Arabic Farsi, Arabic Dal, Arabic Khalif, Arabic Het, Arabic Meme, Arabic Dal, Arabic Het, Arabic Khalif, Arabic Noon, Arabic Meme, Arabic Noon, Arabic Farsi, Arabic Sin, born 14 August 1948, is a Pakistani politician who was a member of the National Assembly of Pakistan from June 2013 to May 2018 and was a member of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab between 1985 and 1999. He was born on 14 August 1951. In 2007, Manais was alleged to hold a fake BBA degree. He was elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab from Constituency PP-178 Vehari in 1985 Pakistani general election. During his tenure as member of the Punjab Assembly, he served as Provincial Minister of Punjab for Communication and Works, Food and Transport in the Provincial Punjab Cabinet of Chief Minister Nawaz Sharif. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Islami Jamhoori Ittehad IJI from Constituency PP-193 Vehari-II in 1988 Pakistani general election. He received 26,919 votes and defeated Hayatullah Khan, a candidate of Pakistan People's Party PPP. During his tenure as member of the Punjab Assembly, he served as Provincial Minister of Punjab for Agriculture in the Provincial Punjab Cabinet of Chief Minister Nawaz Sharif. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of IJI from Constituency PP-193 Vehari-II in 1990 Pakistani general election. He received 41,361 votes and defeated Muhammad Aslam Khan, a candidate of Pakistan Democratic Alliance PDA. He served as the Speaker of the Provincial Assembly of Punjab for a period of 6 months from May 1993 to October 1993. He ran for the seat of the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League Jinnah PMLJ from Constituency PP-193 Vehari-II in 1993 Pakistani general election but was unsuccessful. He received 24,552 votes and lost the seat to Muhammad Aslam Khan, an independent candidate. He was re-elected to the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab as a candidate of PMLJ from Constituency PP-193 Vehari-II in 1997 Pakistani general election. He received 27,735 votes and defeated Urshad Omar Golvi, a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League NPMLN. He served as leader of the opposition in the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab from June 1997 to October 1999. Manais ran for the seat of the National Assembly of Pakistan as an independent candidate from constituency NA 169 Vehari-III and from constituency NA 170 Vehari-IV in 2008 Pakistani general election but was unsuccessful. He received 45,828 from constituency NA 169 Vehari-III and lost the seat to Tamin Adultana, and received 5,875 votes from constituency NA 170 Vehari-IV and lost the seat to Mahmood Hayat Khan. He was elected to the National Assembly as a candidate of PMLN from constituency NA 170 Vehari-IV in 2013 Pakistani general election. He received 83,895 votes and defeated Aurangzeb Khan Kichai, a candidate of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf PTI.